So I saw this the other day. I saw this store. And you may look at this and say, Lewis, why would you even consider renting this store? When you look at this store, this looks like a completely dilapidated pile of shit. And I will agree with you that this space is, for the most part, a completely dilapidated pile of shit. Unfortunately, you can't get a good view in there. I would have to jump over this gate and cut off my nutsack in order to get a really good view inside. But just trust me when I say that the inside of it is fairly small and it's not that great. What you may be surprised to hear is that that little pile of garbage from the meeting I had the other day, or I guess I should say that Kevin had the other day, is $10,000 per month. This is about the size of the front of my store, if even. $10,000 with a straight face. Finding real estate in New York is so much fun. That's about it, and I'll see you in the next video.